all right? You see my finger wiggling? Okay. Do I? Just keep going. I'll tell you when I need to stop. Huh? Okay. Take your time, lad. All right, just start taking it. Are we stopped? Okay. You said good? Sorry, there's a loud car going by. Give me a second. Is that as far as we need it, bub? Perfect, thank you. I'm going to square this away, then I'm going to send a stat wire through. So do whatever you got to do on your end. The trick is here to gently unroll it. Alrighty then, so that's what it looks like. Obviously I'm going to clean it up, but bada boom.